In the afternoon, I felt a hint of coolness in the shade of the rearing woods. The melons, pumpkins in the vegetable garden have not yet grown, but I am already full of expectations. The mint leaves are ready to be harvested. Today, I will pick some leaves to make mint tea. You see, the green mint leaves grow vigorously. It doesn't need to be taken care of during its growth period, and it doesn't attract insects and small animals because of its unique fragrance. The yellow flowers in this corner are swaying in the evening breeze rather than being used for flower arrangement. This place is their stage. Let me pick some light purple hoster flowers for my decoration. Deer really likes them as food. Sometimes I must cover flowers by the net to protect them. We will only use the leaves. Rinse them 2 times. The best way to enjoy mint tea is to use the fresh leaves. But every year I will dry and preserve 3 times the mint leaf for my winter season and for my friends. Air dry them naturally tonight. Before starting my work, let me have my mint tea first. So aromatic. So relaxing. This is the first day of drying under the sunshine. The second day. Can you hear this crisp sound? It's ready. Pour in hot boiled water and steep for 1 minute. The fresh aroma and the soothing taste. Oh, this is my peaceful moment. I hope you will also like it.